Okay, so we have now a complaint about a buzzer. That buzzer is for the seatbelt warning. So we're going to check at this stage. We're going to check the seatbelt buckle switch, if it's detecting the status of the switch or something. It seems like it's not detecting that the passenger seatbelt was put on. So now I have here data list. So basically, now watch closely to the highlighted in blue data. These are live data from the computer. So basically, buzzer on, and it says that the seatbelt buckle switch is off, but as you can see, the passenger seatbelt was put on. So that's right there, plug in there, still off. It should turn on. So if the seatbelt is put on, that switch should be on. So at this stage it's not detecting the switch, so the computer is thinking the passenger seatbelt wasn't put on. So let's go check it out. So that's the easiest way to determine whether what's wrong with the car without actually removing anything yet. So basically just unplug this switch here, connector. I put on this terminals, and then I can check whether it has continuity on it. So I put the seatbelt on, and you can see there's no continuity, so it needs a new buckle switch. It's within the buckle assembly, so that's what I'm going to request. So here it is. Nothing. Nothing. So we need buckle assembly.